Hello everybody, welcome to the Kool Zone. Today I have made another amazing waffle dish. Please make sure you watch the whole video. Kool Zone out.
This is what it is, okay? I said empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome, welcome, welcome. As you can see right here, I put together a bacon wrapped waffle, topped with an egg. You want to see more? Watch this video, and if you like, don't forget to subscribe.
Sometimes I fall on my face, but I know how to get back up again. And sometimes I don't know what to say. Sometimes I don't know what to say.
Things and trials and tribulations. My mind overloaded by these things. I have no patience. I've been patiently waiting for Satan to exit stage left. A deep breath. I ain't got none of those things left. I've been searching on the inside, cause the pain that I endured makes the songs cry. And the tears come from my calm eyes. Life's a bitch and I'm looking for a strong line to make you understand why I'm here and where I draw the line. They say the sun gonna come out in due time, but these dark skies got me headed to the dark side. In a dark place, fighting for my sanity.
Let me tell you something, people. If you love bacon and you love waffles like I do, this is the one for you.
It still hurts me when I do, and although I am a man, I feel the hurt and the pain too. It's up to me to get back up when I fall in these damn moods, and I feel I never win, cause every day I'm gon' lose. I gotta keep fighting the pursuit, fighting the pursuit.
Sometimes I fall on my face, but I know how to get back up again. And sometimes I don't.
Just look at this masterpiece.
Sometimes I don't know what to
Let me
say.
tell you folks, the taste was amazing. Everything came together, everything. I had so much fun putting this together. Like, oh man, like everything was amazing. Once you crack right into that baby, everything just flows right together. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I love you guys. Please stay tuned. So much more to come. Kool Zone out. And if you do love this video, please hit that like button. Love y'all.
Despite their resistance, I came up every year. They not prepared for the things that I speak, and sometimes it's too complex. I have to change the speech. Dumb it down, simplify it on the beat. Nah, that's not me. Nah, that's not me. I'm way too bright for you boys to stop me, and I'm way too nice with